Jamaica, land of warriors and kings. Let me tell you about the fire that still burns within. From the hills to the heart of the land, we remember who built it with strength in them hand. We walk through the streets of the island today, hear the voices of the past whisper what them used to say. Not just names pan a dollar or statue high, them give we freedom, some even had to die. So we look back through time, through pain and pride, where brave hearts rise and cowards hide. From the maroon hills to the courthouse step, them stand for our rights and me not forget. Call them name, make the island hear. Call them name, keep the memory near. Nanny of the maroons, warrior queen, fighting for freedom long before we dream. Paul Bogle march with faith so wide, justice in his soul and truth as his guide. Some shops say no more chains, no more whip. Him voice still echo through plantation mist. He paid with his life but he planted a seed. Now we live the life he dream we need. George William Garden, voice of the voiceless, hang for the people, still he remain fearless. Marcus Garvey, vision so grand, rise up black nation, reclaim your land. Norman Manley with a vision so wise, politics clean with fire in his eyes. And Sir Bustamante, labor strong, he fight for the people them all lifelong. Call them name, call them proud, call them name, say it out loud. Heroes who fight, who break the chain, who give we hope in the hardest rain. Call them name, don't let it fade. Jamaica strong because them paved the way. Though we reap from the seeds them sow, we walk free cause them never let go. So teach the youths, pass it down like flame. Don't just wave the flag, know the name. To Nanny, Paul Bogle, Sam Sharp, George William Garden, Marcus Garvey, Norman Manley, and Sir Alexander Bustamante. We thank you. Your sacrifice built more than a nation. It built a spirit we still carry. One love, forevermore.